Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Border City. Today we're checking out a tour of a brand new 2018 Ford F-150 SuperCrew Platinum Series. Shadow black in exterior color and accented with a stainless steel grille. Platinum comes with a body color lower bumper, chrome toe recovery hooks, LED, daytime running lights, signal lamps, high beam, low beams, and a pair of fog lamps. The side we have Platinum Edition 20-inch alloy wheels. They're wrapped in a aggressive rubber, power deployable running boards. We have chrome mirror caps with blind spot monitoring, LED side lighting, and we have chrome door handles with intelligent access key and a Ford factory remote start on the key fob. We have a twin panel moonroof overhead, privacy tinted rear windows, 4 full doors to accommodate 5 passengers, a short box, active park assist and cross traffic alert, as well as 4x4 body side decals. The 3.5 liter V6 Ecoboost engine is paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifting 4-wheel drive. At the rear we have a platinum stainless steel placard at the rear tailgate, LED tail lamps and reverse lights, a 360-degree camera system, rear park sensors, and a heavy-duty trailer tow package with 7 and 4-pin electrical hookups. A black interior with a black wood grain. Standard options include power windows, power locks, and power folding mirrors, memory seating, carpeted flooring, automatic headlamps, power adjustable brake pedals, and electronic parking brake. A power heated steering wheel with a stainless steel accent, adaptive cruise control, trackpad for the menu zone, trackpad for the media zone, and a sync voice activated control switch. A flow-through center console offers a console shift lever, the parallel park assist feature, lane departure warning, and then we have 2-tone bucket seats in the front with leather Platinum Edition seats with massage control and 10-way power, as well as they're heated and cooled. Overhead is that twin panel moonroof, power sunshade, auto dim rearview mirror, universal garage door openers, and still a place to store your glasses. We have a push button engine start, a Sync 3 touchscreen, Wi-Fi connectivity, backup camera, 360-degree camera system. We also have navigation, dual climate control zones, air conditioning, and rear window defrost, and a 12-volt and 110 outlet, as well as another glove box for additional storage. We have a premium audio system from B&O Audio, 6 months of prepaid Sirius satellite radio, and lots of great entertainment options. We have a 60-40 split bench, heated outboard seats, and a flat storage floor. Second row power windows, door speakers, and door storage pockets. If you have any additional questions about this model, please don't hesitate to contact our professional friendly sales staff. Look forward to answering any questions you may have, and we thank you for shopping online with us here at Boundary Ford.